All right, this is the re-maiden of the 80mm Eflite F-18. First flight didn't go so well because I balanced a little too far back on the CG, so the plane was tail heavy, especially when the gear went up, because it's just a lot of weight that shifts back on the plane. So I have it more nose heavy. Let's see how she goes. Maiden. She's up, feels way better. All right, let's put the gear up, flaps up. Needs a little trimming, but feels way more normal. Yeah. Fuck yeah. She rips. And rips good. Slow her down, let her settle in for a sec. Alright, let's try a roll. Nice. Not too fast for roll speed. High speed pass, let's see how she goes. Yeah. That sound is good. Alright, gear down, first notch of flaps. Let's go full flaps. See how she settles in here. Looks real nice. Little throttle back. Get the nose up.